Good evening. Thank you for the chance to speak. I represent Virginians for Liberty and Justice. I have 2,000 members in my organization, but I come as a mother of 5. My son is a United States Marine. My husband is a Marine. I have 3 brothers who are Marines. My godfather was a Marine who served in World War II and Korea. Patrick Henry said, "I have but one lamp by which my feet are guided, and that is the lamp of experience. I know of no way of judging the future but by the past. The past has shown that there will always be those who try to undermine liberty. Some will do it by force, and others will do it through propaganda, fear, and a slow dumbing down of society, creating a society who no longer know their God-given natural rights. A society that has forgotten or has never learned that we live in a constitutional republic, one where we, the people, created government. We were the creators, and a very limited government at that. We, the creators, never intended for our creation to have more power than we do. Society now believes that rights are given by the government and that something should be feared because the media attaches a scary name to it and told them to be fearful. Society now believes that more statutes and codes will keep them safe, that somehow restricting the rights of good people will make bad people less dangerous. We are very far from the gift of liberty that our framers gave to us. We live in a time when our public servants are now called public officials, trying to make us believe that we no longer hold the power. The Virginia state legislatures of 1779 said that the #1 job description of our oath takers was guardians of the state's sovereignty. Securing the sovereignty of Virginia means guarding the natural and inalienable rights of every single Virginian. That includes the right to self-defense. The Second Amendment doesn't grant us this right. God did. The Second Amendment simply tells the government that they cannot impede on our rights. What part of shall not be infringed do they not understand? Just because a bill is passed and is made legal doesn't make it lawful. We have a moral obligation to our posterity to ignore unlawful acts and to fight tyranny. I have but one lamp by which my feet are guided, and that is the lamp of experience. I know of no way of judging the future but by the past, and that lamp will never allow me to forget the unarmed victims of Hitler, Stalin, Mao, and the many other victims of less famous tyrants throughout the world. And in case he's watching, Attorney General, although you think that you'll be able to bully us into compliance by falsely labeling us felons, may I remind you and every oath taker of the oath you swore. You are public servants and we are your employers with a moral duty and obligation to refuse and fight tyranny. Let us not forget that the people who hid Anne Frank were breaking the law and the people who killed her were following it. Thank you.